I'd like to reveal the surprising fact that chili peppers are not only spicy, but have incredible health benefits. I'd like to introduce you to the topic of chili peppers and their impact on your health. For example, did you know that chili peppers are commonly used as an aphrodisiac in many countries around the planet? These spicy peppers are not only used as aphrodisiacs, but for pain management, arthritic conditions, and much, much more. The capsaicin found within the chili pepper is scientifically found to effectively treat many diseases and specifically these 8 health issues. Hi, I'm Dr. Liz Perry. My channel's all about health, wellness, and the quality of life. Because I believe that by sharing knowledge and combining best practices from around the world, optimizes healthy living. So let's talk about the common misconceptions about chili peppers and the hesitation some may have about consuming them. Chili peppers are healthy and they do not cause ulcers, nor do they cause hemorrhoids. But be careful if you already have these health issues, because if you may experience a burn if you have an anal fissure or any of these incidences already. Red chili peppers must be consumed with caution, and they're not recommended if you do suffer from Crohn's disease, colitis, dyspepsia, GERD, otherwise known as gastroesophageal reflux disease, heartburn, hemorrhoids, inflammatory bowel disease or IBD, irritable bowel syndrome or IBS, or if you have an ulcer. For those of you who do not have any of these conditions, let us now discuss the extraordinary benefits this spice for long life holds. Come with me as we quickly journey around the world with the chili pepper. In Japan, the chili pepper is used to promote fertility. The Irish have been known to use the red chili pepper to treat tooth pain. In Peru, the chili pepper is used to treat conjunctivitis. Inflammation of the conjunctiva caused by infection or allergies. South Americans further use the chili pepper to treat parasitic infections and help to kill off parasites. In North America, such as the United States, chili peppers are thought to prevent and treat senility, Alzheimer's, and different types of dementia. Truth is, chili peppers do effectively prevent and treat many ailments. According to the Western Missouri Medical Center, chili peppers have 108% of the daily vitamin C requirements and help us resist infectious disease and to eliminate cancer-causing radicals in your body. Consumption of the chili pepper also helps strengthen the integrity of your blood vessels, your bones, your organs, and your skin. Chili peppers further contain vitamin A, vitamin B6, and iron. This is why they call the chili pepper a superfood. Shall we now dive into the 8 insane health benefits contained within these popular peppers? Number 1, a natural decongestant. The chili pepper can effectively treat allergies, asthma, the common cold, and the flu, along with various types of sinus problems. Number 2, chronic bronchitis and emphysema. In fact, There was a famous doctor and pulmonary expert at UCLA who commonly prescribed the consumption of chili peppers for these patients struggling with emphysema and chronic bronchitis. Number 3, high cholesterol and hypertension. Studies have shown that the capsaicin within the chili pepper lowers cholesterol and blood serum cholesterol by making blood vessels more resistant to oxidized LDL, which is the bad cholesterol. And it may also help by breaking down the cholesterol and even removing it from your body. Number 4, arthritis, joint pain, and pain management at large. The chili pepper treats pain and can be used topically or internally due to its, once again, the capsaicin contained within. It reduces inflammation, promotes blood flow, and is commonly used for arthritis, strains and sprains of your ligaments and tendons, shingles pain, and can even be used for cluster headaches and neuropathy. Number 5, natural blood thinner. The champion chili pepper is further known to thin the blood. Although more scientific research is needed, it is believed that consumption of the chili pepper does help us with heart disease and may resolve some blood clotting disorders. Number 6, promotes healthy metabolism and is a good tool to increase and incorporate in our diets for weight loss, according to the British Journal of Nutrition. Shows promise and favorable results in animal studies, but controversially in humans. Although in critical reviews in health science and nutrition, the results are favorable. And in promoting weight loss through consumption of the red chili peppers. Regarding weight loss, this scholarly review documents mucosal blood flow, which helps in fat digestion and absorption in high fat body metabolism. Number 7, Raynaud's syndrome. This cherished chili pepper is shown to effectively treat cold hands and feet, though its ability to move blood and promote circulation. Number 8, cancer prevention. According to the scholarly article Evolutionary Diversity, as a source for anti-cancer molecules and antioxidants, anti-inflammatories, immune function modulators, and inducers of apoptosis in tumor cells, the bioactive compounds may be useful as a single agent or adjuvants, as commonly used in traditional Chinese medicine herbology, effectively in both treating and reducing the risk of cancer. The molecular mechanisms of their biological action are their abilities to induce epigenetic modifications such as methylation, acetylation, and suppression of lipid peroxidation. However, coming up is the most surprising health benefit of chili peppers, and you will leave here amazed. So please subscribe by pressing the buttons below and give us a thumbs up. The champion chili pepper is not only an effective aphrodisiac, but is scientifically found to be useful in the treatment of erectile dysfunction. You might spice up your love life by adding some chili peppers to your diet. Stuff in cayennes jalapenos and habaneros, along with other peppers that give them their heat, once again known as capsaicin. The consumption of capsaicin relaxes the arteries, and that helps the blood flow to the heart and to other organs, including the gonads, the prostate, and the penis. Let's now summarize these amazing key health benefits discussed. The champion chili pepper is a natural antioxidant, anti inflammatory, and blood mover, which is used for centuries and even thousands of years throughout the world. Capsaicin treats congestion, be it allergy, asthma, emphysema, helps treat arthritis, and is commonly used for pain, lowers blood pressure and cholesterol, gets rid of our cold hands and feet, and finally makes its way to the bedroom, spicing up our love life while simultaneously working to prevent prostate cancer. I encourage viewers to try incorporating the chili pepper into your meals and share your experience in the comments below. Thanks again for your subscribe and giving us a thumbs up. Jusqu'à demain.